design, I will make a logo to Chrome Explorer. I will bring the photo of the Chrome here, file, place, and then I will take the logo and put it here. I will begin with a circle. I will draw a circle with 500 and 500. I'll put the circle in the center of the artboard like this. Then I will make a scale with 50% with copy. Then I will again make another scale now with 75% with copy. Then I will take these 3 circles and make a copy from them by edit, copy, and then edit, paste, and front. I will hide the 3 circles now here. Then I will take the circles, and I don't need this circle. I will delete it. I will make a color with a circle. I'll draw a line from this point with I press shift to make my line straight, and then I will rotate my line by rotate tools, and I will press alt and move the center to the circle, and I will take 120 with copy. Then I will use shape builder. I will select everything. Now if I press alt, I will subtract the thing I don't want. Alt. I will take this shape. Now this shape I will make a copy from it. I will select the shape, and then I will make display this 3 shape. Then I will take them and make them with black. Then I will take this shape, this and this, shape. I will rotate it by moving center to the center of the circle, and then I will take the same 120 with copy, and I will make another copy by press Ctrl D. I have these 3 shape. I will now coloring the 3 shape from the Chrome logo. I will take the 1 shape. I don't want to show this 1 shape. I will take the eyedropper with red color. Then I will take this, and I will again take this color and this 3 shape, and I will take the yellow color. Then I will select the circle here, this circle, and I will take the blue color. Now the logo I finish. Make without stroke, and this is the logo. I hope this video to be useful for you. I hope to subscribe with my channel. Thanks.